Good morning to all of you. Myself is Arun Kumar Singh. Today I want to discuss an important topics, that is dispersion of light. Before to discuss over the dispersion of light, first we have to understand refraction of light. We all know that light has the two phenomena, reflection of light and refraction of light. In reflection of light, the source of the light, I mean incident ray and reflected ray, both are in the same medium. We know that when the light passes through one medium to another medium, its speed goes on changing. That depends on the nature of the medium. So in case of reflection of light, the light comes from a particular medium, either denser or rare, and strike on the reflecting surface and goes back in the same medium. This is called reflection of light. But in refraction of light, when the light comes from one medium and goes in another medium, then the speed of light is changed here. Either it bends towards the normal or bends away from the normal. That depends on the nature of the medium. When the light comes from rare medium to denser medium, then the refracted ray bends towards the normal, because the speed of light in denser medium is less than that of in rare medium. But when the light comes from denser medium and goes in rare medium, the reflected ray goes far away from the normal, because the speed of light in rarer medium is more than that of the denser medium. So the dispersion of light based on the refraction of light. Here the light rays also go from one medium to another medium. Here there is a prism instrument which acts as the denser medium. When the light goes from rare medium to denser medium, I mean when the light passes through the prism, then the prism separate all the 7 different color of light, because the 7 different color of light have the different wavelength, and so when it passes through the prism, it gets separated by the prism. Prism is a transparent medium, but it is denser. So since all the different 7 color has the different wavelength, so when it passes through the prism, it gets separated from one another. We all know that light contains the 7 different color, or we can say that light is composed of 7 different color. If you want to know sequentially the name of the 7 different color, this will be violet, indigo, blue, green, orange and red. It means red has the highest wavelength and violet has the lowest wavelength. So between the other color, between violet and red, all the 5 different colors between the violet and red also having the different wavelength. That's why it gets separated from the prism. A splitting of light into 7 different colors is called dispersion of light. It happened due to the prism. So here prism separate all the 7 different color of light, and if we obtain all the 7 different color of light that has been separated by the prism on the screen, it is called a spectrum of light. All the 7 different color can be visible very clearly on the screen. What has been done through rainbow. Rainbow is also just like the spectrum of light. Rainbow happens just after the rain. After the rain, the water particles, water droplets are suspended with the air molecules in atmosphere for some time. and after the rain, when white light falls on water droplets which are suspended in air, it works as a prism and it gets separate all the 7 different color of light, and it appears as a colorful bow in the sky. This is called rainbow. Rainbow is also happened due to the refraction of light, and in olden days it is called the bow of God. People take it as a natural phenomena. It is also the natural phenomena, it is true, but people used to relate it with God, religious matter. That's why in Hindi it is called Indradhanush. Indra, he is the god of rain, and so his weapons is bow. That's why it is called rainbow. In Hindi, people say it Indradhanush. So a spectrum of light, dispersion of light, and rainbow, all these are happening due to the refraction of light. Light, the velocity of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. If you measure in kilometer, it will be 3 into 10 to the power 5 kilometer per second. But in a smallest unit, centimeter, we can say the speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 10 centimeter per second. Light always travels in a straight line path. Its propagation is always in a straight line, and if there is a curve or bend, light does not pass through it. If you talk about the denser and rarer medium, the particles of rare medium are far apart from one another. So light gets much space for its propagation. There will be no any hindrance created by the particles of that rare medium, because there is a large intermolecular space between the particles of rare medium. So a speed of light in rare medium is greater than that of the denser medium, because the particles of denser medium are very close to one another. So there is a less intermolecular space between the particles of the denser medium. So light has not get free space to travel fast. On the other hand, the light need not to have any material medium for its propagation. Light can also travel in vacuum. So the light which comes from the sun has to travel a very large distance in vacuum. Then it enters into the atmosphere. First it enters the atmosphere, which are very rare. Then if you come closer to the earth, it has to pass through the denser medium, because the atmosphere at where we are living is very dense. So the speed of light goes on decreasing continuously, because it has to travel a denser and denser medium, more denser when it comes closer to the earth. So I think some idea about the dispersion of light, a spectrum, rainbow, reflection, refraction can be obtained from this video. If you like this video, subscribe it by pressing the bell button, and if you want to know something more about some other topics, try to send me through comment. I shall try my best to add all the topics selected by you in my next video. One more information I want to share with you, that very shortly I want to start the online classes either on Zoom app or on TeachMate. That will be completely free of cost, no any cost. The student has to pay for that classes. I want to accelerate the students, because for last many days many months there is a position of lockdown, so the speed of study of a student goes on decreasing, now become very slow. I want to accelerate them by arranging the classes free of cost. And also, if the student want to have some idea about the particular topics, I shall also manage it. I shall also consider all the desired topics of students, that will also be free of cost. So it's my request, it's my advice, if you are the student, watch the video till in and send me your mobile number, so that it become very easy for me to send the link, and you may connect very easily for attending my classes, and it will be started very recently. So keep it serious and send me your mobile number. Thank you.